I'm sorry, my sound cut out for the first 5 seconds, so all I'm saying is hello. Humans. Today I'm going to be upgrading my grips to DMR death grips. I've had these nick-proof grips for ages now. They're really flat, there's no texture left on them, they're really dirty, there's all scratches and stuff on them. So today we're going to be upgrading them to DMR death grips. Can I have them please? Thank you, my mum's behind the camera. First of all, let's start off with getting my old grips off. So I've got my trusty Crank Brothers tool. Loosen the clamps. If you take these clamps, what? I can't talk today. Sorry everyone. If you take these clamps off the grip, you can actually use them as valve core removers, which is cool. I've got straighter valves on my tyres, but for any of you who've got a high-end bike, you can use the collar of the grip. That's the word I was looking for all day, and you can use it to remove your valve core. That's cool. I've not got a valve core. I'm going to get the trusty staple remover to get my bar end out. It's a bit Sam Pilgrim-esque, this, but it'll work. Right, got one of these grips off. I'll see you again when I've got both of the grips off and you can start putting the DMR ones on. Right, we've got both of my grips off. Now we're going to put the DMR death grips on. Pull. One grip. Just going to put that there. Safekeeping. Slide it on. Yes. And get my trusty tool out. Position. Lovely. And I'm going to tighten the bolt up. Right, now let's get the other one on. Let's pull. I like the packaging. Whack this on. Angle it a bit. And tighten the bolt up. Oh, slipped it. I think I should learn lefty loosey, righty tighty properly before I do this properly. Right, got the DMR death grips on my bike now. Let's go into my local riding spot and test them out. My local riding spot, and I'm going to test out the new DMR death grips. I'm going to go over the jump here without gloves and with gloves. Get it done. Right, so this one was without gloves, the one before was with gloves. I don't really know which one I prefer, because the gloves feel amazing with it, because the grips are so grippy with the gloves and they're really thick, and I like the feel of them. And without gloves, they feel amazing as well. So I think in winter I'm just going to ride with gloves, and in summer I'm going to ride without gloves. Right, I hope you enjoyed my installation and test of the DMR death grips. This local riding spot was a great tester. The jump was amazing, the grips were amazing, and I'll see you in the next video.